Y'all, I came up with an idea that makes a ridiculously small amount of money, but it's hilarious. So stick around and I'll show you. Hey everybody, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Roy, and we usually, matter of fact, every other time, have talked about sublimation. We're not going to talk about sublimation this time. What we are going to talk about, though, is how you can add a product to your repertoire, to your inventory that has a very low price point. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. This all started with a bet. My wife and I were having a conversation about something. There was something that I was thinking, hey, maybe I could sell this, or maybe we could sell this. I don't even remember what it was, but my wife says you can't sell that. And I told her, with the right marketing, the right branding, the right packaging, and the right sense of humor, you could sell about anything. And she said, no, you can't. And I said, yes, I can. And she said, no, you can't. And I said, I bet you I could sell air. And she said, you can't sell air. I said, I bet you I can sell air. And she said, I will give you $100 if you can sell air. Guess what I'm going to be selling? Air. It was really driven on a bet. She didn't say how much I had to charge. She just said, you can't sell air. So I got to thinking about it, and in my younger days, I might have been to one or more air guitar contests, and I played quite the mean air guitar. So I'm thinking to myself, back then when I played air guitar, what was one thing that I sometimes needed that I didn't have? Air guitar strings. So here's what I did, and this is really easy. You need cellophane bags. These are 4-by-7, 4" by 7. I'll see if I can find, I got them on Amazon. I'll see if I can find the place I got them and leave a link. So you need these. You can get them anywhere. You need a stapler. You need blank paper. Where's my paper? Here it is. Paper. Got this at, I think, Walmart for $4.97, something like that. So that's what you need. You need paper. You need a stapler, and you need cellophane bags. And you need a little bit of a sense of humor, or a file. And I will have this file on my digital design website if you'd like to purchase it and bet your friends and win extra money. So what I did was I created air guitar strings packaging. And this is what it looks like. So this is your front, this is the back, and I'm going to read this. Air guitar playing guidelines. The instrument must be invisible, i.e. air. Air guitar players may use an electric or acoustic air guitar. Air guitarists should become overtaken by the music and focus on stage presence, technical merit, artistic impression, and airness. Personal air roadies are allowed. Backing groups, real or air groups, should never be used. And then there is an asshole clause, and that is, any air guitar actions that may cause risk or harm to anyone by overplaying or becoming crazy in all Keith Mooney is grounds for immediate confiscation of all air guitar equipment. So, this is the file that I will leave on my website. There are 2 labels per 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You get this paper. And I've got little red lines. What I do is I take the time because I want people to get the best quality packaging for their airs they can. So I take a razor blade and a ruler, and I cut these out. And then once I cut them out, this is what they look like, and then I fold them in half. This is very difficult to do. Then I take a bag, open it, put the air guitar strings in here, seal it up, take my air guitar packaging, line it up nice and neat, and take my stapler and go boom, boom. Air guitar strings. Now, I've sold about 30 of them. And technically, she owes me $100 for every one I've sold. So these things in theory have made me a boatload of money. But in reality, I'll never get any of that. If you want to have a little fun, if you want to, I'm serious, if you want to offer something that is a low price point but will get people talking, if you're ever at a craft show and you want to engage in people, here's the way to do it. Even if you don't sell any, the fact that as people come up, you can talk to them and point this out to them, it's conversation, and then you can talk about other stuff. And you'd be surprised. Every once in a while you'll get, I don't sell a whole bunch, but I probably sold 40 of them in the course of the last, I don't know when I did this, maybe 10 months ago, 8 months ago. But I just had to share with everybody because I think it's funny, and maybe it's something that you want to do, or maybe you just shake your head like my wife does with me. Regardless, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell. Do give it a thumbs up because that helps me out. Click the notification bell, and we have a Facebook group that's almost as off the rocker as me, so definitely come over there and join. I'll leave a link in the description. You have to answer the questions and agree to the group roles, and agree to the group rules, and that's pretty much it. So I'll leave a link to most of this stuff. I did get the paper at Walmart, so I don't know if I can leave a link for that, but I'll leave a link for everything else. And if you do decide that you want these, they will be at my digital design website. There is a link in the description for that as well. So I hope you've had a humorous moment or two watching this, and please check back soon for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic air guitar kind of day. See you around. Yo, I come up, hey. I came up with a ridiculously. I don't know. The instrument, and show you the finished